Good afternoon, students. Today, let's see the change of from active to passive or from passive to active for the sentences which are written in simple future tense. And by side, we'll be of course revising simple future tense. So, in simple future tense, what was the rule? That you form a sentence using this sentence structure. What is that? Subject plus will shall plus first form of verb and then rest of the sentence. Right? Now, but if sentence is in such a structure, that is simple future tense, then how to change into passive? Of course, the subject and object interchanges, right? And what is the condition of the verb? Verb remains like shall and will, but there is be plus third form of verb. So according to the subject, you will put shall or will, then be, and then third form of verb. Let's see, explain the same thing through an example. Now see, we shall visit the museum tomorrow. Now we could see that it's will shall plus first form of verb. That means the sentence is in सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. ये प्लीज आपको आइडेंटिफिकेशन आना चाहिए बिकॉज देयर कैन बी अ क्वेश्चन इन योर एग्जाम. आइडेंटिफाई द टेंस ऑफ द गिवन सेंटेंसेस. और जब हमने टेंसेस कवर किए थे तो हमने ये क्वेश्चंस किए थे, right? So once you read a sentence, you should be able to know or identify the tense, the verb, the subject, very importantly. And when especially you're doing active passive, then you should know the object as well. Don't go with the extra words, क्योंकि कई बार आप सही ऑब्जेक्ट भी नहीं ढूंढते हो. सो टू फाइंड सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट, आस्क द क्वेश्चन, कौन काम कर रहा है, हु इज बीइंग टॉक्ड अबाउट, हु इज बीइंग टॉक्ड अबाउट इज द सब्जेक्ट. किस पर काम हो रहा है, व्हाट इज लाइक कैरिंग दैट एक्शन ऑन टू इट, then it is the object. So find the subject, object and the verb and go according with the rules. So let's see once again. Sorry, I distracted you. We shall visit the museum tomorrow. Now what's the subject? We. What's the object? The museum. Of course, in passive voice, I need to interchange. So answer becomes the museum will become the subject, right? Ab museum is like it singular, so I can use will, right? अब क्योंकि मुझे इसको पैसिव में करना है तो be plus third form, so will be. अब third form of visit will be visited. आराम से करो, कोई टेंशन नहीं, just cross check whether you're doing it right or wrong so that there is no chance of mistake. So the museum will be visited. Of course, then you need to use the word by and we changes to us. The museum will be visited by us. Second, Vrinda will deliver a speech. A speech will be delivered by Vrinda. A speech will be delivered by Vrinda. See, it's quite easy. Now again, not to worry if it is a negative or an interrogative sentence. Same procedure. They will not pay the fine. सिर्फ not वहीं आ जाएगा, process वही है. The fine. Fine is singular, तो like अनकाउंटेबल, सो विल लगेगा. फिर बी, पे की थर्ड फॉर्म, पेड बाय देम, ये तो पॉजिटिव हो गया है ना, लेकिन मैंने तो नेगेटिव बनाना था, गलत हो जाएगा अगर मैं नॉट नहीं लगाती तो. द फाइन विल नॉट बी पेड बाय देम. सो अगर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है तो मुझे नेगेटिव में ही आंसर देना है. I need not change from negative to positive while converting from active to passive. So I need to be careful. But yes, the steps are same. Not will just be inside. Will not be paid by them. Similarly, will the school conduct exam? Ab exam will become the object. अब exam के साथ will ही आता है, right? पर will be conducted, ये आना चाहिए ना, will be conducted. अब मैंने यहाँ will क्यों बीच में नहीं लगाया यहाँ पे, बिकॉज इट्स इंटेरोगेटिव, तो ये will तो यहाँ आ जाएगा. एग्जाम विल बी कंडक्टेड का ये विल कहाँ आ जाएगा, यहाँ, क्योंकि मुझे अपने सेंटेंस को इंटेरोगेटिव ही रखना है. विल एग्जाम बी कंडक्टेड बाय द स्कूल, right? And a question mark. So this is how you convert the sentences given in future tense, simple future tense, whether they are positive, negative or interrogative. You follow the same procedure and this is how you convert them into passive. Of course, I have written 4 more sentences for you to practice, and I now advise you, I have made approximately 4 videos that covers the concept very clearly and thoroughly. पहले वाला video, the first video on active passive, will give you a total brief out of the concept. Then the other 3 videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3, will tell you in separation how you will deal with the sentences in the simple present, simple past and simple future. So during your revision days, अगर आपको कहीं भी concept को दोबारा देखना है, must keep the videos safe and watch them again and again, right? So all the best. That is the end of the syllabus today. We'll just now do 1 or 2 more exercises practice and be ready for the test. So soon I'll just take your test of active passive. All the best. Solve this exercise and you can compile all the work in your notebook if you want. Thank you. Have a nice day.